What's up guys, it's your boy Joseph here, back again with another video. And the Samsung Galaxy S21 is leaking everywhere, so everyone knows pretty much everything that we have to know about it. And through these leaked images, you can see that the Galaxy S21 looks way better in real life in comparison to the 3D CAD renders. Just look at these bezels, they are so small and thin with a little punch hole design. If you don't live under the rock, you already know that the Samsung Galaxy S21 won't come with the charging brick in the box, which is crazy. Also, the S21 won't come with the SD card slot. Madness. And the Samsung version of AirTags was leaked, and as you can see, it has a plastic look to it. And finally, the Samsung Galaxy S21 teaser was leaked, so let's watch it together.